Hey everyone! I just wanted to make a quick video about how to use the Writing Center online consultation module. As many of you, I was confused at the beginning, so I hope this video helps you clarify some things. Working on the WC platform is good because it allows the students to write their paper on their own. This is hard to do when we do it on Zoom or Google Hangouts or any other platform because the student often loses the ability to write his or her own ideas, and this can slow down the student's progress. So let's begin with some of the most confusing parts. The pencil that we see here to the right, every time we press it, we get this screen, which is usually lagging, and it's usually white. We press this white square, and that's done when you want to draw something to the student, like a line and I don't know, some bubble. This is rarely used, but if it ever comes up and you think that your work is just suddenly gone, it's not. It's just a trackpad, and you can retrace it. You can send it back by just pressing the pencil again. So you press it, it appears. You press it again, and it disappears. Over there, they have two different ways of writing. You can do the huge brush, or you can do the little pencil. And by selecting this little square with the dotted area around, if you select it, you can move your drawings around. So this is not going to be as much of use to us, but it's helpful to know just in case it just pops into your session. To clear the screen, you can just press the blank or the X, and it will clear everything. And to go back, just press the pencil again. Okay, so that's for the pencil. The print machine, the printer, well, that just prints whatever work you have there. What's interesting is this arrow. It's not really explanatory. The symbol is a little mysterious, but when you press it, you can basically download the document. You can download it as a Word document or PDF, and so you can import some work to work on for the session, and the document will appear on the whiteboard. And same if you want to download the documents. You can do it also in the same manner. You can download it as HTML and or PDF if you want the work to be done on PDF. As you can see, I'm downloading what I already had on the board. So you can do both things. You can upload documents to the whiteboard, and you can also download whatever you wrote on the board. Next thing, it's the timing, the little arrow with the time. That's actually a really interesting feature the Writing Center website has. It allowed us to see the different changes that happen in the paper. As you can see, I just did some quick deleting the welcoming message, and then it shows me when I wrote some stuff, and then the end of product. I think this is really good for students to go back and see how the essay changed throughout the session. So now returning to the pad again. Again, do the same, and that it's a really cool feature. The question mark, that is just gonna send you to their support system, and you can find more about how to troubleshoot, but you don't really have to worry about that. And this one is save. So when you save your revision, it will stay there, and you can then check the time slider, and then it will save for both, so that you both can see it. So as you can see, you see the start here, the work is saved. So now the student, you can have access to this at a later time. Well, I hope this was helpful, and it's a really good option to have. And when it's not too glitchy, it's an excellent choice for you to work with the students. Bye.